Hey guys, welcome back. So I just had one of those I was today years old moments working on this car. So I figured I'd share it with you guys if you ever have this problem. And it's got one of these Wyland mini blowers on it. And we had this Sniper Stealth and we wanted to put it on here. So I get it all mounted on there and realized that there is not a boost reference port. So on a blower like this, it needs to be able to read boost. So with it on top, all it ever reads is vacuum. So you're supposed to block the hole off on the bottom of the Sniper and run your line from the bottom of the intake, which is running right here. That way it'll read boost and it'll change the fuel table. Well, the Sniper, regular Sniper, does not come with that port in it. So I called Holley and I found out that they all use the same 2-bar map sensor inside of it. Well, at least this one does, which is this is the 550-870. It's got the 4 100-pound injectors and it's got the 2-bar map sensor. So instead of going down to Summit and picking up another Super Sniper, I drilled and tapped the hole. There we go, right there, and plug the bottom port. So this is what it looks like. This is a Super Sniper, but we wanted the Stealth one on there. But see that port right there, if you look, it's perfectly in line with this one. And even on that Stealth regular Sniper, that bottom hole is threaded. If I can get it to zoom. That bottom hole is threaded, so you just plug that hole and then put your barb fitting here so you can run your boost up to the carburetor and get it to run right. Or throttle body, sorry, not carburetor. So all I did on that other one is I flipped it over, plugged it, found where the opposite side of that port right there was, drilled it out, tapped it, put my 1/8" barb in there. And then in the software, I called Holley, got the part number for the Stealth, which the Super Sniper Stealth is 550-873. Rewrote the tune with that software on it, fired up and been running perfect. So if you guys ever find yourself in this situation where you got a regular Sniper but you need to read boost reference, you can actually see that there's a flat boss area right behind there where you can tell it should be tapped, drilled and tapped. So just make sure you're drilling directly into that port and you're good to go. And again, you do this all at your own risk. Make sure you call Holley, give them your part number, make sure you got, a 2-bar map sensor, because I did find out that the map sensor is part of the computer, which is all in this plate here. It's all under there, so you can't just open this up, change out the map sensor without voiding your warranty. They said you could do it, but it would definitely void the warranties on them, so I would not recommend pulling it apart. But yeah, that's all you got to do is redirect that port and you're good to go. All right, guys, you got any questions, leave it down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer back to anybody. And again, like, subscribe, share. Statistics are showing that only 99% of people watching the videos aren't subscribed. So do me a favor, help me grow the channel, subscribe, share with your friends, leave some comments and feedbacks, anything that we can do to improve the channel or anything you want to see. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.